Hey, crypto and stock market fans. Big news just dropped. Kraken, the crypto exchange giant, is shaking up Wall Street with tokenized US stock that trade 24/7. Stick around to find out how this could change the game for investors worldwide. On 22nd May 2025, Kraken announced the launch of X stocks, tokenized version of major US equities like Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia. These tokens built on Solana blockchain. Let non-US investors trade these stocks around the clock, no more waiting for Wall Street's 9 to 5 schedule. This is a huge step in blending traditional finance with crypto's always on market. So what's the big deal? Tokenization turns stock into digital assets on a blockchain. That means number one, 24/7 trading. No closing bell, trade anytime, anywhere. Number two, frictional ownership means buy a piece of pricey stock like Nvidia for pennies. Global access. Non US investors in select markets can now join the US stock game without jumping through hoops. Kraken's partnership with Backit to make this happen, and it's all powered by Solana's super fast blockchain. This could make investors more inclusive and flexible than ever. Here's how it works. Eligible Kraken users in selected non-US markets can buy Xstocks tokens through their Kraken account. These tokens represent real US stocks or ETFs, and you can trade them anytime, day or night. Want to buy a fraction of Tesla stock at 2 a.m.? No problem. Your tokens are securely custodied and you can move between crypto, cash, and stocks all in one place. It's like having a Wall Street terminal that never sleeps. Why is Kraken doing this now? Crypto markets never stop, but stocks do. Until now, with X stocks, Kraken bridging the gap between crypto's 24/7 vibe and traditional finance. Posts on X are buzzing with a user calling this a game changer for global investors. Plus, with crypto's FOMO in full swing, Kraken's timing couldn't be better to attract new users. But there's a catch. It's only for non-US investors for now, and specific markets haven't been disclosed yet. Of course, there is always a flip side. Tokenized stocks could face regulatory hurdles, especially as governments catch up with crypto finance mashups. Some ex users are already speculating about scrutiny from regulators. But if Kraken pulls this off, we could see more tokenized assets like bonds or ETF, making markets even more accessible. This is just the start of finance blockchain revolution. That's the scoop on Kraken's X stock. Are you excited for 24/7 stock trading, or do you think it's too good to be true? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto and finance news. Check out Kraken News website for more details and stay tuned for updates on this game changing move. See you next time.